Hey everybody, okay, so today I'm going to be making vanilla and strawberry cupcakes. 2-in-1 video. So I have here 1 cup of just diced up strawberries, just 1 cup of it. And we're going to go ahead and blend these suckers up. Okay, that took maybe 10 seconds. And there's not a whole lot in there. But we're going to use this for the icing. Okay, I have them in the saucepan, and we're going to go ahead and simmer this until it reduces by about half. I forgot to put my microphone on. Okay, so as you saw, it's pretty much reduced to half. So we're going to go ahead and set that aside. Okay, so we have here 1.5 cups of almond flour, and we're going to add to that a 1/2 cup of any sort of granulated sweetener. This is allulose. And then 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And we're just going to stir this right up. This was not a big enough bowl. Okay, and we have 5 eggs here, and we've got 6 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, not flavoring, and we're going to go ahead and beat this up for about 3 minutes. Okay, that was about 2.5 minutes. So we're going to add the dry ingredients in here, and it doesn't say to not combine all of it. So we're also going to add 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Here's where I'm going to split them up. I'm going to take some of the vanilla cupcake batter, because I'm only going to do probably 2 or 3 vanilla ones. Well, who knows? And we're going to set that aside. And we're going to take another cup of finely diced strawberries, and we're going to put them in the vanilla batter, and we're going to fold them in. Okay, now look, I tend to burn things, or things will stick. So I went ahead and lined the cookie sheet. What is this? I almost said pancake. Cupcake thing. I filled it with these cupcake liners, and then I sprayed a little bit of coconut oil, just a little, because, yeah. I'm just going to go ahead and fill these up. We got them all filled up. Now, some of them are over, some of them are under. You should fill them up to about 3/4 of the way. But what are you going to do about filling them up? You know, I'm not balanced, apparently. And we're going to go ahead and pop them in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes or golden brown. Okay, now's the good stuff. We're going to do vanilla icing, but then I'm also going to do the strawberry one too. So what I have in here is 1 cup of butter, room temperature. Mine wasn't room temperature, okay, so I had to stick it in the microwave. It's just 2 sticks of butter. 1.5 cups of confectioners. This is Swerve. But if you use granulated, you can put it in one of those spice grinder things to powder it up. 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we're going to blend this up. So it spits. What I'm going to do here is just take a little bit for the vanilla cupcakes. Got a little reserve there. And now with the rest of the icing, I'm going to go ahead and add this, what do you call it? Reduced strawberries? I know there's a word for it. we're going to fold them in. I don't have the camera all set up. All right, I'm going to finish this up. Look. So I burned them a little bit, but not too much. Man, I almost kept them in there for another minute or two. So I'm going to go ahead and let these cool for about 10 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to where they can cool a little bit longer so you can put the icing on there. Okay, so I did ice them up. I put another like half a cup of powdered swerve in there because apparently the strawberries, like I thought, got a little liquidy. You can still kind of see it too, but I didn't want to use up all of it. Aren't they so cute? So adorable. By the way, sprinkles you can get, I think it's Good Ease sprinkles that are like the sugar-free kind. Okay, so let's start off with the burnt vanilla one, which by the way, it is sticking. Don't have words. Okay. The cute little strawberry one. So the bottom like ripped off, but I'm gonna try it anyway. My goodness. Oh, that's just the best thing ever. Anyway, that's all the time I have. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.